I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself locked out of your Razorpay account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Razorpay login page. Go to the Razorpay website and click on the login button. This will direct you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your registered email. Input the email address associated with your Razorpay account. This is where you will receive instructions to reset your password. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Razorpay with a password reset link. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements to avoid any issues. Remember, if you don't receive the email, double check the email address you entered in step 3.